Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome to AgriSylvie. Today's our topic is basic principles of landscape gardening. First we will discuss what is landscape gardening, then some basic term which is more useful if you want to study more about gardening, then this video is most important video you should watch. Then don't confuse with perspective, prospect, vista. What are those? We will discuss. Let's start. Landscape gardening is defined as it is an art and science of the establishment of ground in such a way that it gives an effect of a natural landscape. It means there is a ground. Okay, you should make that ground in such a way that it will give the pleasure of natural landscape. Will make a ground to natural landscape. That is called landscape gardening. Okay, some other definitions are there. Improving of total living environment for the people. For the people, if we are making a living environment, that refers to landscape gardening. Then the beautification of a tract of land having a house or other object of interest on it. This is also referred to as landscape gardening. Let's discuss some basic principle. First principle is balance. So what is balance? Balance is a landscape design which having visual equilibrium. Okay, visual equilibrium of different garden elements. It means that you should imagine a imaginary central axis. Okay, then both side of that imaginary central axis, the components, the structure and the plants should be equally distributed, so that what happen, our mind thinks that this is balanced garden. Okay, this is balance. The exact duplication of what is right on the left means what is right, same thing should be present at the left. The balance should be clockwise, texture wise and also shape wise. The human psyche is depressed when thoughts are not balanced. Okay, so balance our thoughts, we should make balance inside the garden. This is a basic principle. This is the picture showing balance. You can see here two elephants. The elephant which is in left is equal to which is in right. It is similar in texture wise, in shape wise also, in color wise also. All are same when you compare with left to right. Here this is called 5-star balancing. Here there are star like balancing structure. There everywhere the same flower, same plant, same height plant, those are balanced. Now comes to proportion. Proportion refers to the share of different parts or components to the whole. Means the space allocated of any feature is referred to as proportion. Means we are saying that some element like lawn, path, border, trees, buildings should be equally proportionate. Means we can't say that we will provide less space to buildings and more space to path. It is impossible because building need more space, path needs less space, less wide space. Okay, so we should proportionately balance different garden elements. And here the why we are doing this, because the human psyche is depressed when saw disproportional. So we should make proportional balance. Okay, then comes to unity. Through diverse structure, plants and features are used to create a landscape. Means different diverse structure should we make in such a way that it will refer as unity. The proportion and the unity. Here you can see these two picture having proportionately balance. Means here the path having little space, the building having much more space, the lawn having medium space. In this way also, this topiary having medium space, the path having large space and this table flower having very less space and trees having much space. In this way we balance proportionately. Here you can see unity. Different features are there. Here water fountains are there. Here path in both sides. Here rock wall. Here different lawn, topiary, all are there. All are diverse features are there. Here water pool are there. So all diverse feature we are taking as unity, and it should look aesthetically beautiful. Now comes to one very important element, perspective. This is the basic principle you should know. Any object situated at a distance will look small compared to the one of the same size kept close to the vision. Means if you are looking an object which is placed at a very much distance, it will look as small. If an object is placed near to you, then it is looking as big object. So this is the objective phenomena. This is the visual phenomena of shrinkage in size and converging of line. So we should give focus about that when we should go for landscape gardening. If you want to an landscape architecture, so you should be a 4-dimensional view. Means an artist perspective is 2-dimensional, sculpture's perspective is 3-dimensional, whereas if you want a landscape architecture, then your perspective should be 4-dimensional. Garden objects can be positioned either at the foreground or background. What is the meaning of that? Means garden objects should be placed in front of the garden or backside of the garden, so that what happen when you enter the garden or when you exit the garden, you can see the actual size of the garden object. In this picture, you will clearly able to understand what is perspective. Okay, here this tree is nearer to you. Okay, so what it is looking like? It is a big tree, referred as big tree. This tree is very much distance from you, far from you. So what is the size of this tree? Small tree. But the peculiar thing is that I will tell you that both the tree, this tree as well as this tree, are in same size. The distance is matter, nothing matter. Then comes to vista. Vista, it is a 3-dimensional confined view of a terminal object along eye line at focal point. Means it is a 3-dimensional structure from which whole total, means whole of the garden, a confined view you can see. This is the best picture you ever see. You can see this in Taj garden, Taj tomb as viewed from its opposite. This is the actually vista. We will see the picture in the next slide, don't worry. Then comes to prospect. Prospect is the view of scenery. You just remember it is camera view. Don't confuse with the prospect with the perspective. Perspective is referred to as big size, small size, according to distance, according to your distance view. But here this is the camera view. This is the view of scenery, prospect. Okay, prospect can be created by adopting suitable proportion and unity. If you adopt proper proportion and unity, your prospect will very good. Here you can see vista. This is the focal point. Okay, and you can see 3-dimensional view from one focal point. Okay, from one focal point you can see whole 3-dimensional view. This is called vista. Then comes to prospect. Prospect is the camera view. You can see this is the background. It is looking like a camera view, scenic view, like you saw many background pictures like that. Okay, this is the prospect. Don't confuse with vista, prospect, perspective and extra. If you have any doubt, just go for comment section and comment me. I will definitely answer you. Here this is the end of part 1 lecture. Part 2 lecture will come soon. In this way we will complete whole basic principle of landscape gardening. After that part 2 video, we will provide MCQ of both parts, means whole part 1 and part 2. You can download this video. I will provide you link in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe so that I will get motivated and I will make more videos for you. Save tree to save life. All the best for your exam. Thank you.